told these bitches to sit the fuck down. They didn't want to listen. I gotta show them before I take them missing. Certainly y'all know who it be. KCV, Hill City Killings, Mr. J, bitch. Yeah. I told him, motherfucker, sit down with the wicked clown sound. Nah, he listened, but he didn't go out with the wicked motherfucker down. I don't give a damn. Pussy motherfucker fucking with my fam. Put him in the hole, that's who I am. Just because niggas wanna get the clown, go ahead and hit him with the sham bam sham flow. Just because these niggas don't wanna know what the fuck is up with my wicked ass motherfucking flow. Don't you pussy niggas know? Gotta get it down on the motherfucking low. All the way for that flow on the low. Pussy ass niggas don't go for show, but they wanna slowly fucking roll. Fuck that, I'm on go mo. Don't get tired and I never fucking choke. Never gonna go so my roll. Just because these pussy niggas do what they told, cause they some good little bitches. Put them in ditches, hit them with snitches. Yeah. Put them back together with them stitches. Gotta get staples for a motherfucking crater. Gotta put bodies in and get them in a blender. Gotta get down with the wood chipper. Never gonna sliver a liver just because these niggas want dinner. Ha! Throw some salt on it. Rub some dirt on it. Pussy niggas always acting like they're on it, but they never already know that they got it. Never gonna go, never gonna flow, never gonna roll, never gonna show. But I'm gonna kick in the motherfucking dough and take what's mine. Do what you're told, or get the chrome to your motherfucking dome just because you wanna act like a dope. I don't give a damn cause I'm slanging out dope and crack rocks to these silly little whores. Kick in the door, take out a bitch, put them in the motherfucking ditch, dismember limbs. Go ahead and hit them with the bullet to the cranium. And I'm gonna show them how I flame them when I blame them. And I don't blame these bitches for my motherfucking ditches and then stitches. But I promise that they the ones who brought it. Bringing monsters and the demons out in my head. Just because they do what they said and they some good little slaves in the bed. Always gotta handcuff bitches cause I wanna pump them with lead. Bust a nut, pump them in the head. Go ahead and get that crimson on my head. That's blood red sound with the wicked ass clown sound. I don't give a damn cause it's going out now. Going out loud with the motherfucking chrome out. And I'm standing on the corner looking for these hoes. Fuck it.